Hello student, today we are going to study the various parts of human digestive system. In my last video, I have explained how to draw the diagram of human digestive system, but we didn't label the diagram. In this video, we are going to label the diagram and we also going to study the various parts of human digestive system. So first part of human digestive system, that is mouth. Mouth, it is an opening from where the food is taken into the body. So first part, that is mouth, and when we talk about the mouth, it is the area guarded by lips. Thereafter, buccal cavity is placed. Buccal cavity contains teeth, tongue, salivary gland, which helps in the digestion of food. It helps in chewing of food. Tongue helps to swallow the food inside the body. So these two parts, they are the starting part of human digestive system. Next part, that is called pharynx. And pharynx, it is present in the throat region. हमारे गले में ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम का जो पार्ट प्रेजेंट होता है वो होता है फेरिंग्स. फूड जो होता है वो माउथ से फेरिंग्स के थ्रू ही ईसोफेगस में आता है. आप नीचे की तरफ जो पाइप देख रहे हैं जो फेरिंग्स से जुड़ा हुआ है, दैट इज कॉल्ड ईसोफेगस, द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. एंड ईसोफेगस ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द फूड पाइप. इसे खाने की नली भी कहा जाता है. And food, when we taken the food in the mouth and when we are going to chewing the food in buccal cavity, when we swallow the food, it passes through the pharynx, then come into the food pipe, that means esophagus, and from the esophagus this food is going to place into the stomach. So stomach, that is a J-shaped bag, and it is also called food bag. इसे खाने की थैली भी कहते हैं. फूड का partially digestion stomach में होता है, and food remains in stomach up to 2 to 3 hours depending on the kind of food. When food is partially digested in the stomach, then it comes into the small intestine. So next part of human digestive system is small intestine. In the small intestine, the digestion of food get completed. That means here the food is completely get digested, and from the small intestine then undigested food is passes into large intestine. और ये बड़ा amazing है. Small intestine is longest than large intestine. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन की जो लेंथ होती है इट्स नियर बाय 6 मीटर और 20 feet approximately, whereas large intestine it can be only 1.5 meter in length. From the large intestine, the undigested food, or we must refer the excretory waste material, it is stored in rectum. Rectum also the part of human digestive system, and thereafter from anus this excretory waste material passes outside from the body. So these are the part of human digestive system. Now I am introducing you alimentary canal. The various parts we have studied here, they are the part of alimentary canal. From the mouth up to the anus there is a long coil tube which is called एलिमेंट्री कैनाल. वो एक सिंगल ट्यूब है, इसी के ये सारे पार्ट्स हैं. और अपार्ट फ्रॉम दीज पार्ट्स, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी सम ग्लैंड्स एज आई एम राइटिंग. सो फर्स्ट, salivary glands. Salivary glands secrete saliva which helps in partial digestion of starch. Salivary glands 3 pairs होते हैं salivary gland के हमारे buccal cavity में. Thereafter, liver. Liver is the largest gland of human body. And you can see liver, it is just placed right side in our body. above the stomach. And liver produce bile juice, which is a store in gallbladder. So gallbladder, it is not gland, but it is the storing bag of bile juice. And from the gallbladder, bile juice comes through bile duct into the duodenum. That means the first part of small intestine. You can see here. And this bile duct is going to attach with the pancreatic duct. So as we have written liver, gallbladder, we also write pancreas. It is the next gland which is very helpful in digestion process. It secretes some enzymes which helps in digestion, as well as it secretes insulin hormone which helpful in the consumption of glucose in the blood. And in the pancreas, there is a pancreatic duct. So you can see कि pancreatic duct और bile duct वो दोनों आपस में जुड़ी हुई हैं और एक common opening के साथ वो open होती हैं small intestine में. The first part of small intestine, duodenum. We will write that part in later. So we must learn these all things. You can see here bile duct और pancreatic duct कैसे आपस में एक जगह पर common opening दे रही हैं. And thereafter, I'm going to write here bile duct. This is the duct which leads the bile juice from the gallbladder into the small intestine. Then we must write in these all parts, we do not forget to write some parts of small intestine and some parts of large intestine. As you can see, small intestine, it is connected with the stomach, but small intestine having three parts. The first part, you can see the C-shaped part which is connected with the stomach. That part is called duodenum. And this is the part which receive the bile juice and pancreatic juice from gallbladder and pancreas. Then you can see the middle part of a small intestine. It is called jejunum. And this is the part of a small intestine where final digestion takes place. That means digestion get completed in jejunum. And finally, the last part of a small intestine, it is called ileum. And this part of ileum helps in absorption. Into ileum, some finger-like projections are present which are called villi, singular villus. These villi helps in absorption of nutrients. As we have discussed the various parts of small intestine, the large intestine also having some various parts. And the first part of large intestine, it is called cecum. You can see here, it is the part with small intestine is connected. And this is called cecum. And here with cecum, you can see a bladder-like structure, short structure, that is called appendix. So the part of large intestine, it is cecum, then colon, and then rectum, and finally anus. These are the parts of large intestine. So here we are going to write down colon. And colon, it is the part of large intestine. These are the parts of human digestive system, or we must say, these are the various parts of alimentary canal, the single long coiled tube from the mouth up to the anus. It is a single tube, and that tube is called alimentary canal, in which process of nutrition takes place. Now we must write the caption of the diagram, and I am writing here. You should also write the same manner. Human digestive system. And today we have studied the human digestive system. I hope you understood better. If you are having any doubt, please let me know. God bless you all. Thank you.